Helping others is the way we help ourselves. Help others and see how much effect it will have on your own lives. Welcome, folks. Monopoly Stocks here. Today, we'll be talking about the market wrap up for April 19th and what are the upcoming catalysts, upcoming announcements, and what to expect for market for April 20th. So, stay with us. I'll see you right after this. Welcome back, folks. Before getting started with today's presentation, I'd like to thank whoever has subscribed to us. We're already reaching 700 subscribers, so thanks for your love and support. At the same time, a lot of people are watching but not subscribing, so please do take a second to press that like button and also the subscribe button. And we just started just over a month ago, and we're already reaching 700 subscribers. We do have a strong support and encouragement from a lot of our subscribers and also people who are viewing us, but also subscribe. In that way you'll encourage us to bring some unique stocks in front of you and also help us in growing our channel. Today we have according to the stock Yahoo Finance, we have stock market pulls back from recorded levels at the tech stocks dive. So we have S&P, Dow Jones and Nasdaq in the red today, and at the same time we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple and many other altcoins in the red today. This was because of the drama from China, and also other countries are banning Bitcoin. So we do feel there is a strong support for Bitcoin at about $53,000 and Ethereum about $2,000, and we did mention about this in last week video. And if you are invested in cryptocurrency, don't forget to take some profits. In this way you can have that money and buy back cryptocurrency at a lower level, or at least use that money to buy some undervalued stocks. And this is just our opinion, we're not financial advisors. And also we feel the S&P and the market should be good in general, because only 9% of the companies in S&P have reported their earnings, and out of that 80% of them did beat the Q1 2021 earnings, and this is the highest beat since 2008. So we should be fine for the coming days, but there can be like a little bit pullback in the market just with the uncertainty in the market and figuring out about the inflation and everything. So just watch out for that. On the other hand, today we saw healthcare industry did very well, and most of the market was red. But at the same time we have Apple, Google, Disney, Netflix, Coca-Cola, Bank of America was in green today. Also we have tobacco stocks fall widely on anticipated move by Biden administration to cut nicotine levels in cigarettes. So that affected Altria, ticker symbol MO. The stock was down by 6.6%. And we have Philip Morris International, ticker symbol PM, which is down by 1.3%. And at the same time we have 22nd Century Group, ticker symbol XXII, up by 20%. So the current price of XXII is 3.95%, and 52-week high is 4.66 cents, and the 52-week low is 3.21. So this 21st Century Group deals with natural genetic modification of tobacco products and cannabis products to better suit the market conditions, and they're also working on VLN, which is very low nicotine cigarettes, which they sell these to government for research. And they're also waiting on authorization for MRTP, which is modified risk tobacco products, and the right to sell their VLN cigarettes as a healthy alternative for the high nicotine products. The company promises to roll out the VLN products within 90 days of FDA approval. So once that happens, we could see the stock skyrocket. So remember the ticker symbol is XXIA. So put this on your watch list. And also today the EV market was down. That could be because of the fatal crash for the Model S of Tesla. So this could continue for tomorrow also. So just keep this on your watch list, all the stocks. If you are invested, just plan accordingly your entry and exit. And tomorrow for upcoming catalyst, we have Advanced Auto Parts, ticker symbol AAP, and the current price is $192.92, and the 52-week high is $193.17, and 52-week low is $110.96. So at 10 a.m. tomorrow, Advanced Auto Parts is going to give their update on strategic business plan. So the executive leadership team will discuss the company's progress on its transformation initiatives and provides updates on their long-term strategic objectives. And the net margin of this company is about 4.9%, and the forward PE is about 17.34, and the company is a part of S&P 500, and the market cap of this company is $12.6 billion, and their revenue in 2019 was about $9.7 billion, and revenue in 2020 was about $10 billion. If Advanced Auto Part could adapt themselves towards the EV sector, we can see a very good future for this company. And also with the market cap what these guys have, they can adapt themselves to EV sector. Keep this company on a watch list. We have a catalyst for Apple tomorrow. So the ticker symbol is AAPL. The current price is $134.16, and 52-week high is $145.09, and 52-week low is $66.36. So tomorrow at 1 p.m. they're having a event called Spring Loaded event. In this they'll be revealing new iPads, new iMac, new AirPods, new AirTags, new Apple TV, and possibly new Apple Pencil and many other products. And also they're expected to announce something about the Apple Silicon chip. If they do that, there will be a little bit effect on few of the semiconductor stocks, which is INTC, Intel, and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacture Company, TSM, and other semiconductor companies. So just keep that on your radar. And there is a big chance they could reveal something about Apple Car. So if that happens, Tesla and many other EV sector could affect their stock price. So put this on your watch list, okay? And tomorrow for Tuesday, we have many big companies giving their earnings. So before the market, we have Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and Abbott Laboratories, and we have Harley Davidson and many other companies to give the reports. And also after the market, we have Netflix, one of the biggest one, is going to give their earnings. So put this on your watch list, and anything positive that could affect the market in a good way. So just watch out for that. Also after hours for today, we have a few of these stocks rallying, which is VTRS rallied about 35%, and we have CB, which rallied about 3.89%. Apparently there is no news on this, but if you are invested in this or looking to invest in this, just plan your entry and exit accordingly, okay? So that's it for today, guys. We'll be doing the video for daily wrap up tomorrow also, and we'll be announcing the catalyst for April 21st. So just watch out for that. And also we're working on a couple of high growth stocks which will be releasing the video very soon. So do subscribe. In this way you don't need to miss these videos. And always remember, please be good to each other. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.